Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
This is the only magnification that shows your image at true pixel scale. 1 image pixel equals 1 screen pixel. Every other zoom level is an approximation. At 200%, each pixel becomes a visible square, useful for checking anti-aliasing, confirming mask edge quality, and inspecting sharpening halos. At 400% and above, you enter pixel-level editing territory. Individual pixels are selectable and editable. Use Ctrl+ and Ctrl- to zoom incrementally. Hold Ctrl space and drag to rubber band zoom into a specific rectangular area. Double-click the Zoom tool icon in the toolbar to instantly reset to 100%. The difference between good retouching and invisible retouching is always visible, at the pixel level.